Hey guys, it's me Terence and we're back again for another vlog, and I will make crispy pili nut for my school project. Materials needed: sandok, drainer, basin, kaserola, tiny jar for packaging, and label for finished product. Ingredients needed: pili nut, sugar, oil, water, at ang pangmalakasang secret ingredient. Una, papakuluan po muna natin ang ating main ingredients. Oops, wait lang. Sorry guys. Guys, papakuluan po natin ito at kaantayin po siyang maluto ng 15 to 20 minutes. Add water to balance the thickness or love. Po natin ihalo lahat ng ingredients. Bababad po natin siya ng 10 to 15 minutes. So now let's start the cooking process. Magpapainit po muna tayo ng oil. Okay na siya guys. Aantayin po muna natin ito kumulo bago ilagay ang ating pili nuts. Siya guys, kumukulo na po siya at lalagyan muna natin ng 2 cup ng pili nut. Pahaluin lang po natin siya para pantay ang pagkaluto.